Okay, seventh grade. It's Thursday, March 26th, 2020. Miss Collier posted this last night. This will be the nonfiction reading passage that you'll have to complete today. We will also be hosting a Zoom meeting at 8:30 to 9 a.m. to go over the passage and the questions if you need help. But I'm going to read the nonfiction passage aloud for those of you who might find it too difficult to read on your own. So you can choose to read it with me or to read it on your own. But this must be read today before the meeting so you can participate in the discussion. Okay, so it's a nonfiction reading. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Refer to the text to check your answers when appropriate. Did you know that some people don't do their reading assignments? It's shocking, but it's true. Some students don't even read short texts that they're assigned in class. There are many reasons for this. They may be distracted or bored. They may be unwilling to focus. They may be unconfident readers. Whatever the reason, it has to stop today. Here's why. Reading stimulates your mind. It's like a workout for your brain. When people get old, their muscles begin to deteriorate. They get weaker and their strength leaves them. Exercise can prevent this loss. The same thing happens to people's brains when they get older. Brain power and speed decline with age. Reading strengthens your brain and prevents these declines. You can benefit from reading in the near term too. Reading provides knowledge. Knowledge is power. Therefore, reading can make you a more powerful person. You can learn to do things by reading. Do you want to make video games? Do you want to design clothing? Reading can teach you all this and more, but you have to get good at reading. And the only way to get good at something is to practice. Read everything that you can at school, regardless of whether you find it interesting. Reading expands your vocabulary. Even a boring text can teach you new words. Having a larger vocabulary will help you better express yourself. You'll be able to speak, write, and think more intelligently. What's boring about that? Do not just discount a text because it is unfamiliar to you. Each time you read, you are exposed to new ideas and perspectives. Reading can change the way that you understand the world. It can give you a broader perspective on things. It can make you a word learner. You can learn how people live in faraway places. You can learn about cultures different from your own. Reading is good for your state of mind. It has a calming effect. It can lower your stress levels and help you relax. You can escape from your troubles for a moment when you read, and it's a positive escape. The benefits far outweigh those of acting like a doofus. So do yourself a favor. The next time you get a reading assignment, take as much as you can from it. Squeeze it for every drop of knowledge that it contains. Then move on to the next one. All right, so that's the read aloud of this nonfiction reading text. I will go over the questions in another video